ATM of America offers a wide range of services nationwide, including processing, full ATM placement, parts, and more. Do not hesitate to contact us at 866-528-6462 or visit our website at atmofamerica.com.
On this video, we're going to demonstrate on how to change the combination on an S&G lock. First, open your safe door and lock your handle. Once the lock gives you the 2 beeps, it's done locking the safe. Now we will press 22 star, the current combination, pound, then the new combination, pound, the new combination, pound. The lock code has been changed. Now we're going to try the new combination to make sure we did it properly, which we have.